2006 Rio. The Rio delivers sprightly performance, great fuel economy, and agile handling, all in a stylish package, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, aluminum wheels, FWD, rear defrost, fog lamps, fog lights. Come take a test drive today.